Hi everyone, welcome to This is Vivid Knitting. Thanks for joining me. I'm a knitting YouTuber and enjoy knitting on weekend. In this channel, I'll show you my simple and useful ideas and share a wonderful time with you. Today's theme is how to upgrade your knitting. If you want to add something extra, this video will be a great help for you. I will show you 3 tips and each tip isn't hard, so you should try it. Small changes makes difference. So let's get started. Firstly, knit the same pattern out of fine wool. This is chunky wool, and the other one is fine wool. Knitting fine wool is of course time-consuming, but you can feel craftsmanship and a bit of elegance. If you can knit both, you have more options. Next tip is combine wool with mohair. If you can't find a favorite color or you want to reduce color contrast, using mohair is really effective. This swatch is wool only, and I use mohair for a black part like this. Black line became so fluffy. Here's another example. I want it to be one tone lighter. Tip number 3. You've experienced this before, right? But don't panic. I'll show you how to fix it. How did you like it? If you have your special tips, please leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.